Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The IELTS King. My name is Harshit Mantri and in today's video, I am going to teach you about cue card number 6, that is describe an important decision that you made. तो इस क्यू कार्ड में आप बोल सकते हो कि आपने क्या इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन लिया था. तो इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन कैन बी लाइक मैंने टेंथ के बाद साइंस लेना है या कॉमर्स लेना है, उसके रिगार्डिंग डिसीजन लिया था. आप बोल सकते हो इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन लिया था कि मुझे गाड़ी लानी है अपने लिए, या आपने इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन लिया था कोई जॉब चूज करने का, या तो फिर आप बोल सकते हो कि मैंने एक इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन लिया था कि मुझे अब्रॉड जाना है. तो मैंने वो रिसेंटली लास्ट मंथ ही फाइनलाइज किया है कि मुझे अब्रॉड जाना है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर आइडिया बिकॉज मुझे लगता है एवरीबडी कैन रिलेट टू दिस पर्टिकुलर आइडिया. बिकॉज आप लोग अगर आईएलटीएस की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो तो आप लोग को भी बाहर ही जाना होगा या ऑलरेडी आप बाहर होंगे. तो लेट मी टॉक ऑन दिस टॉपिक दैट आई वांट टू गो टू Canada and that is the important decision that I took recently. Well, one of the most important decisions I have made recently is to move to Canada for my higher studies and eventually settle there. It was a tough call, but an exciting decision because I believe it will shape my future in a positive way. I made this decision a few months ago after carefully considering my career goals and the futuristic opportunities that I'll get abroad. Canada has always been one of the top destinations for international students due to its world-class education system, multicultural environment, and strong job market. After doing thorough research on universities, visa processes, and career prospects, I finally decided to go for this step. There were some reasons behind my choice. First, Canada offers excellent academic programs that really align with my career aspirations. Second, the country provides great post-study work opportunities, which will help me to gain international experience. Additionally, I have heard from many of my friends who are already there, some of my relatives who are in Canada, that it is a welcoming society and it is having great standard of living. Right now, I'm in the process of preparing for my visa as well as preparing for my IELTS and finalizing my admission. I feel a mix of excitement and nervousness. Because I am going to move to a different place with new culture and everything, and nervousness because I have to leave my friends and family behind and will have to experience something that is totally different. On one hand, I am thrilled about this new experiences, learning opportunities, and personal growth. On the other hand, leaving my family and adapting a new culture always makes me a little bit sentimental. However, I'm confident that this decision will open many doors for me and provide a better future. I was a little confused whether to choose Canada or USA, but finally, I think, considering all the points that I have just mentioned, I feel like Canada is the right place. So this is the important decision that I had made recently. So guys, I hope आपको ये आइडिया अच्छा लगा होगा और आप लोग इससे रिलेट भी कर सकते होंगे. तो आप ऐसा कुछ बोल सकते हो कि कनाडा जाना है या यूएस जाना है या जो भी कंट्री आप प्लान कर रहे हो उसका थोड़ा बहुत रिसर्च करके दिस इज द डिसीजन दैट आई हैव मेड, और इससे एसोसिएटेड चैलेंजेस वगैरह आप बता दीजिए, तो इट वुड बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू स्पीक. और अगर आप अभी तक इस चैनल पे नए हो देन प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल. Share it with as many friends of yours as possible, those especially who are preparing for their IELTS and they need help related to speaking, especially generating the ideas in cue card. I'm trying my best to cover it in all possible ways by simply speaking all the cue card topics so that it will be very easy for you to get the ideas as well as new vocabulary. And I'm also discussing all the points. आप कमेंट करके भी बता सकते हैं अगर आपको कोई चैलेंजेस पर्टिकुलर आ रहे हैं कि कैसे कुछ करना है क्यू कार्ड के रिगार्डिंग या स्पीकिंग में कोई भी आपको क्वेरी है, सो आई कैन ऑल्सो मेक वीडियोस अकॉर्डिंगली. थैंक यू सो मच.